How do you divide when you're Hey girl, hey. So this is a mask that I like to use to lighten dark spots on my face. It's water, use a little bit of clay, mix that with some honey, some rose water, and some lemon. Look at that lemon. And then I would put that on my face, mix that up, put that on my face, put my headphones on or listen to like an audio book, come back. This is how the mask should look. When you wash it off, make sure you gently wash it off. Don't scratch it off. Wash it off gently. Make sure you always apply a lot of moisture, heavy moisture to your face because that clay is very drying. Excuse my nail, but that's not why we here. My nail is not why we here. Follow for more tips, girls. See you later. Bye.